Hey, how's everyone doing? We're back here working on the 05 Mercedes 240 4MATIC. This car I got for free. Let's see. We got a lot done. Let me do a quick walk around on it. Let me turn this. We got the trunk painted. Yeah, she's looking pretty good if you ask me. I got a new gimbal here I'm trying to learn how to use. So, it's the first test video. Hopefully after this they all come out a lot better. Yeah, so the trunk's painted. That replacement, that trunk came off a Sport. Painted it the same color, base coat, clear coat. I went to Sherwin-Williams auto paint. They sell it right at a local store around here. A lot cheaper to go into someplace, to one of the real paint stores. Yeah, for less than $100, I think it came out pretty good. Let's see. Trying to figure this out. Here we go. Yeah, so this looks pretty good. Paint came out good. I'm going to throw a couple slides in right now and you can see what I did to what was wrong with it before if you haven't watched the other video, and what it looks like now. Alright, we're back. Yeah, so you saw the trunk was blue, painted only just the rear quarters and the whatever you want to call that pillar, roof line. I just touched up where the paint was peeling on the edge of the trunk on the rear quarter with base coat, whole base coat on the trunk, then just cleared everything. And yeah, it came out pretty good. Yeah, she really shined up. I gave it a good compound about a month ago, wax. I just got done washing it now. Yeah, I should have moved the car back, so I got it. So yeah. So yeah, she's looking pretty good right now. Let's see. Let's take a look at the inside. I fixed the shifter. Got the transmission fixed. Let me tilt this. First thing is we got the window switches fixed. Remember they were hanging in the door panel. The seats were ripped. The bottoms were. I haven't been able to find any replacement seats yet that are reasonable priced. So I just threw these cheap eBay $25 seat covers on the bottom. They actually work pretty good and they don't slide or anything. Let's see, we got some, let me tilt this, eBay Mercedes floor mats. We got the new shifter in right over there. That was all that was for the transmission problem. Replaced this right here. That was causing a lot of problems, so that's new. Let's get in it and start it up. One thing I didn't get yet. Let me adjust this. Like I said, I'm still learning the gimbal. I still need one of these covers. I got it held on with tape. Yeah, the air conditioning works good in this thing. One thing was a lot of money was the key. I had to get a spare key. This is just an eBay or an Amazon cover I got over the key. But that was $280 at Mercedes dealership, and I could not find anywhere else to get that from. That was a lot of money. get some AC on. Let's see. I probably put a couple thousand miles on this since the last video. Hold on, AC's coming on. Here we go. Let's see how many miles we got on it now. It usually averages about 22 miles per gallon. That's 75% city and the rest is highway. So we're up to 147 now. So yeah, I put about over 2,000 miles on it now. The car runs great. AC works good. I honestly have no complaints on this car. Nothing. Shifter's replaced. It's hard to do this with the... There it is. It's not the right color. It's gray, but you know what? I can live with it. It was 130 bucks. CD player works in here. The 6 CD player. That's great. I haven't figured out how to hook up the phone yet. I haven't even bothered trying to play with it. Get some of this on here. There we go. Nice. Yeah. I'll tell you what, of all the junk cars I got, you know, like the low price cars that don't cost a lot of money, under $1,000, and in this case, this was free. This is the best one so far. No problems whatsoever. Yeah, it runs great. Once I fixed the shifter on it, replaced that door sensor over here for the door when you shut it. What else? Oh, I had to fix the steering column. This was broken. I've since fixed it. I actually got another video on how I fixed it. Basically, I just used a cottering pin, and it still works. So when I go like this, I pull it out, up, down, in, out. Let me bring it up a little, put it in. Yeah, and there you go. She's perfect. All for a cottering pin. So if yours is screwed up or it does screw up, I have another video on it. It's a real bear to get underneath that dashboard. Well, I'm 6'1". So yeah, it's kind of tough for me, but if you're a little bit smaller, you'll probably be all right, but it's still tough. So anyways, yeah, that's it. Everything's going good. No complaints in here. Oh, you know what I gotta show you? I changed the muffler on this. It'll pop the hood too. Let's see. There's really nothing wrong with the muffler here. The clamp just broke on it, or was loose, so it was rattling around. So when I was underneath there, I said, screw it, let's get a muffler on this thing. If you watch my channel, all my cars got exhaust. So, here we go. That's the eBay muffler system. That was like almost $40. It definitely sounds a lot better than stock. So yeah, let's take a look under the hood real quick. I did clean the motor up. So there's the motor, it's all cleaned up. It does need a valve cover gasket on this side. Right down over there. I'll get to it, it's not leaking bad. But it does leak, and if I let it sit, if I don't drive this for a few weeks, I get in it, there's a little bit of oil that burns off. So anyways, that's the car. Running good, no problems. And I can truly say it's the best hoopty I ever had. Just got the driveway gen-ited. That's why it's all empty. All the cars are everywhere else but here. So yeah, this is it. Alright, last thing I'm going to do is put the phone on a tripod. We'll go a couple revs with the eBay muffler. And I'll even put a eBay muffler, the ad where I got this one from. it was worth it. I got my own welder and everything, so I welded right on, put it on easy. Even if you had to bring it somewhere, it'd be $100 to put it on. It's nothing. It sounds a lot better, but I do still have the resonator. So anyways, that's it for this video. I'll end it off with a couple revs. Bye. Come on, Billy.
Hey, did you tell him that bell died?
Tell who? No. I didn't think of it.